Motional EMF. So let us see this by an example. So this is a conducting rod of length L. It's moving towards right with velocity v. The field is uniform and it is inside the plane. So let us analyze what happens when this conductor moves in a uniform magnetic field. So A, conductor starts moving in uniform magnetic field. B, free electrons inside the conductor. So a conductor will have free electrons, obviously. So when they move along with the rod, they are going to experience a magnetic field force. And the direction of this force, we already know how to calculate by Q into V cross B. That will come to be downwards. And here V and B are perpendicular to each other. So there is no component of sine theta. So free electrons inside the conductor experience the magnetic force Fb is equal to QVB and drift down. In the third step, the electrons will keep drifting down. So the accumulated charges will generate an electric field E. So when the electrons will drift down and they accumulate at the bottom, similarly positive charge will be collected at the top. So this charge difference will create a static electric field, which we studied in electrostatics also. So these accumulated charges will generate an electric field E that exerts Fe is equal to QE on free electrons. So as the electrons start to drift down, more and more electrons start to drift down, the electrons which are still here, free electrons, they will now experience a upward force because of electric field. And downward force is still constant, which is QVB. Upward force is increasing because more and more electrons are getting accumulated here. So that's what will happen in final step. Charges will keep accumulating until Fb is equal to Fv. So again, Fb is constant and its value is QEB. But as more electrons are getting generated here, at one point, the electrons will stop drifting because both the forces will be same. This will be the steady state. In this case, there will be no further drift of electrons. So this EMF which is generated will not change now. So at a steady state, the forces are equal. So Fe is equal to Fb. So QE is equal to Q into V cross B. Here Q is electronic charge. Anyway, it will get cancelled. What will be left with is electric field is equal to Vb. Now potential difference in electrostatics is E times L. Because it's a fixed value, so this will give you BV into L because E is constant. This BVL is called motional EMF as it is produced by the motion in the conductor. So once again, when the conductor moves in a magnetic field, the electrons will start to drift because they will experience a magnetic force. As they go down more and more, the electric field will also start to increase because more charges are at the bottom now and more positive charges are on the top now. So Fe will increase until they are equal in value. Once they are equal in value, no more further free electrons in the conductor will drift and the steady state will reach. The value of this electric field in the conductor is Vb, and the potential difference across the whole conductor, because its length is L, is E times L, which is BVL, and it's called motional EMF.